Hello to all of you. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And today we will understand how to save files in Tableau. We can save the file with two extensions, that is .twb and .twbx. So if you are having a full version of Tableau or a developer edition of Tableau and you want others to contribute, then you can save your file in .twb. For those users who don't have full edition of Tableau, you can save your file in twbx, but in this case, the other users will not be able to contribute. Let's see how we can do this. So for this, I'll uh, do some work in Tableau, and after that, I'll click File and then Save As. Both the options are available with you, TW, TWBX. So I'll save this as Book 1, done, and it is saved. So depending upon your requirement, you can save your file in .twb and .twbx. So this is all about Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Please don't forget to press the like button.